Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the CMF Phone 1. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So let me open it. Yeah, here has been the phone in previously, and here at this little box you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just open it, and here it is, the red one. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. By the way, sometimes it's a bit more difficult to get it out, but be brave and gentle at the same time. And yeah, here it is. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card, as well as second SIM card if you want, or a micro SD card in case if you want to extend the internal storage. Okay, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2, by the way, it's always written here in the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Belongs here, of course, to the first position. Press it well, so that you hear click noise, and it's well inserted, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, and as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, if you want, you can add now optional a second SIM card on the other side of the SIM tray. For that you need to place it like this here as well. Press it well, that's well inserted, and yeah, this is how it should look like then. So it looks a bit different than the first one. It only fits like that. You're also missing corner, two missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top as well. In case if you want to insert a micro SD card to extend the internal storage, you need to decide between a second SIM card or a micro SD card, because there's just space for one. So if you want to insert a micro SD card, we need to remove the second SIM. So insert now the micro SD card well, press it from both sides, that's well inserted, and this is how it should look like. It only fits like that, and as you can see, the contacts are on top as well. Okay, and after you put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot, anyhow with one or two SIM cards, or with SD or without, the first SIM card is to the display side. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.